welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some Christmas rice. Okay, in this bowl I have 2 cups of rice. Okay, and I have 1.5 cup of water, boiling water. You can see the steam coming out of it. So I'm going to add the boiling water into the cannery. You could use any pot or pressure cooker, your choice. And I'm add the rice into it. I'm gonna, in order to give this rice a taste, I'm gonna put some salt and cover it down, stir it and cover it down and let it boil. Okay, stay tuned. So I'm gonna add the salt to taste. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this down. I'm gonna wait until the rice started to boil. As soon as it starts boiling, then I'm gonna stir it and then turn it down very low and let it steam. Okay, so now that it started to boil, I'm gonna cover this down on low heat and let it steam. Okay, so stay tuned to the next step. All right, so this is it. In order to get this rice loosey, you have to cook this rice for 15 to 20 minutes on low heat so it could be fluffy and nice like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna let it cover down, turn the stove off and let it continue with the little heat that will be, and continue to cook. If any grain is there, it's going to continue to cook it. Okay, so stay tuned. So in order to get the color that I'm looking for the Christmas rice, I have some green food coloring, and I have the yellow, and also I have the red food, the powder. Okay, which I'm going to add into the rice. So this is the red. Add a little. You don't want to put too much to overpower the rice or kill the taste. All right, see, stir it up. Stay tuned. So I'll take a toothpick. Okay, dab it all over. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix it up properly. Make sure it combine it together. So that's the color: yellow, the green, and the red. And I have some oil here. I'm gonna pour it all over, and then I'm gonna mix it in. All right. And it's only 1 tablespoon rice that I use. Okay, tell me what you think about this rice, guys. Or you could eat this rice here with anything of your choice. Okay, Christmas rice. So this is it, and it's finished. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, free to ask. Okay, Christmas rice. If you want to put more color into yours, choice is yours, but you can't overpower it with the color, with the food coloring. Okay, what I did is more red than the actual green and the yellow, so you see more red into it. So again, your choice as to how you want to do it. It's a great taste, and again, you can eat it with anything of your choice. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like it, share it. Alright, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.